Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the DUMOS Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star. Both machines promise quick ice production and portability, making them ideal for home use, camping, or parties. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. The DUMOS Ice Maker excels in ice production, generating 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Antarctic Star produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. This slight difference can be crucial during parties or gatherings where quick ice access is essential. When it comes to water tank capacity, the DUMOS Ice Maker features a larger 1.5-liter tank, allowing for fewer refills during use. In contrast, the Antarctic Star has a smaller 1.2-liter tank, which may require more frequent attention, especially during high-demand situations. The DUMOS Ice Maker is designed with a convenient carry handle, making it easy to transport. However, the Antarctic Star is notably lighter and more compact, making it ideal for small spaces like RVs or boats. But depending on your needs, either option could be the better choice for portability. In conclusion, both the DUMOS Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star offer impressive features for their price. If you prioritize faster ice production and a larger water tank, the DUMOS might be your best bet. However, if you need a compact and energy-efficient option, the Antarctic Star is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.